What's going on, everyone? Just picked up this light at the local store here. It's actually called Ocean State Job Lot, and I've actually had my eye on one of these for a little while, and the price was right, $14.99. So I figured I'll give it a try. 6,000 lumens. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what's actually in here. It says it comes with this adapter, as you can see here. Let's take a look. Oh, there's the adapter right on the top. Not sure if I'll need it, but handy thing to have, I guess. Some instructions. It's pretty basic. Let's pull this thing out of here. Let me put you on hold for a second. Okay, got it out of the box. So it's Bright Living. Yeah, Bright Living. Take a look at this thing. Looks pretty nice. Quite a bit of LEDs on this thing. It's supposed to be 50,000 hour life there. This thing folds so you can adjust it to where you want. Yeah. Doesn't look too bad. Actually, pop it up there. Let's see what the difference is going to be. So this is the before. And let me put it up there. Give me a minute. Let's do it like right there. Give me a minute to jump up there. Hold on a second, guys. Alright. We're back, guys. And that is quite a big difference there. It is pretty bright. It's actually really nice. I think I'm going to pick up a couple more of these things. $15. That's actually a 100-watt bulb right there. And that's why they're saying 6,000 lumens. So yeah, big difference. Let me know what you guys think. For $14.99, I think it's worth it. I'll probably gonna pick up another one. Definitely brightens up this whole area over here. Might pick up another 3 for these that actually lights up here. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.